Listen carefully. Did you hear that? Today I will teach you how to diagnose engine failure through abnormal noises. Belt tensioner makes abnormal noise. Engine knocking and abnormal noise. The three-way four-position valve makes abnormal noise. The piston plug breaks and makes abnormal noise. The power steering pump makes abnormal noise. Abnormal noise from VV wheel at timing. Electronic thermostat makes abnormal noise. Engine valve noise. Carbon canister solenoid valve makes abnormal noise. Abnormal noise from the turbocharger. Do you remember it? Follow me. Learn about cars every day.